progeCAD exclusive tools and features. Convert from PDF to DWG. With progeCAD, you can convert a PDF file into DWG. This type of conversion allows to handle the converted file in progeCAD as any other drawing and modify it with the conventional CAD tools. A PDF file containing vector graphic objects drawn with programs like Adobe Illustrator, AutoCAD or progeCAD can be converted in a DWG file to use and modify vectors with a CAD application. For instance, if you have PDF files of technical specifications or catalogs and you need to modify some of the objects or insert them in some existing drawings, you can do this by converting these PDFs into DWG drawings in just one easy operation. Original layers setting as well as line weight, line types and colors can be maintained in a CAD drawing file which you get after conversion. To convert a PDF file into DWG, choose Convert PDF to DWG from the menu File or the menu Add-on, or type PDF to CAD and press Enter. In the dialog box, click the Browse button, specify the PDF file to be converted in DWG and click on the Open button. The name of the generated file, including the path, will be the same of the original PDF and automatically visible in the destination box. Specify the required settings for import layers, image objects, minimal line width, dashed line as segments, white fill. To end the command, click on the Convert button. At the end of the conversion process, the converted drawing is automatically opened in progeCAD. Mind, if your conversion result is not a vector representation, but a DWG file containing only raster images, objects which cannot be modified in a CAD program, then the correct procedure is to vectorize the original file. Try using this feature and many others downloading a free trial version from progesoft.com. You can use the software 30 days fully functionally and with no obligation to purchase